Hello there, back to what it is right now. We're looking at a marginal risk today, a slight risk tomorrow, then general thunder risk on day 3. However, though, currently we have severe thunderstorm. Actually, it seems to be a line of thunderstorms. 70 miles per hour wind gusts are possible with that. Looking a bit a lot further south, actually. In New Mexico and Texas, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for 60 miles per hour winds, and 4:08 p.m., 59 miles per hour wind gusts has a history of producing damaging wind gusts. Looking at Amarillo, severe thunderstorm warning for 60 miles per hour winds and equals us. Hail, and then further north, again, pretty big, pretty well-defined hail spike right there. High reflectivity values within the hail core that's located right there. 6 miles per hour wind core size tail. However, though, I think hail could probably be even up to golf ball size tail with that cell. Looking further to the east, north of Oklahoma City, we have severe thunderstorm warning. North of Kingfisher, 6 miles per hour wind core size tail is possible. Going further west, Canton, 6 miles per hour wind core size tail. And even further west, over 6 miles per hour wind core size tail is possible with that cell. And that's really it to cover. Tomorrow, again, slight risk across portions of Nebraska, Iowa, and South Dakota. Again, a couple strong severe thunderstorms are possible. But anyways, moving on to the tropics right now, we had Grace has dissipated. However, though, the mid-level clouds are expected to go off the coast of Mexico with a 70% chance of developing in the next 2 days. I believe 90%, actually. 1 minute. 70% chance of developing in the next 48 hours. 80% the next 5 days. And another area of low pressure is expected to form offshore again early next week, and it seems that has a good chance of developing 0% the next 48 hours, 60% the next 5 days. Looking at the North Atlantic, we have Auray with again another area of interest that has basically a 0% chance of developing, but still it holds on to that 10% the next 5 days. Looking at Henri right now, expected to continue to head on its north trajectory, head a bit, make a landfall somewhere around Long Island, or then make another landfall at Connecticut, and then it's expected to continue to head north, and by the time it reaches probably around 2 a.m. Tuesday, it's going to be connecting to a front, and it's going to be post-tropical by then. Currently, Henri has winds of 75 miles per hour, moving north-northeast at 18 miles per hour. Again, flooding rains, damaging winds, and also there's also a posed threat for maybe a tornado or two. Mostly only tomorrow, though, as instability is not going to be really It's not going to be favorable for developing anything really, any semi-discrete supercells. So, yeah. Moving on to the looking at the JTWC, we have OMAS right now active. Currently around 18C, had wind 50 knots. It's expected to strengthen a bit more to around 55 knots before weakening after that, making a landfall around in coast of South Korea, and it continues to head off to the north and northeast, I believe. It's gonna probably become a remnant low by by around 24th. So, really, apart from that, that's really it. And